Make a great choice today with the 2007 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.